In this video, we will explore the most valuable and rare errors found on the 1999 Connecticut State Quarter, their causes, how to identify them, and what makes these particular coins more valuable than others. We will also provide estimates of their worth in the marketplace and offer guidance on how to identify and evaluate these error coins. Before diving into the details of the error coins, it's important to understand the basic design and features of the regular issue 1999 Connecticut State Quarter. The 1999 Connecticut State Quarter was struck at the Denver Mint, indicated by this D to Mint mark, and it commemorates Connecticut's rich history. The coin features a design by John Flanagan, showing a Revolutionary soldier holding a musket, representing the state's military involvement during the American Revolution. Around the image, the words "the Constitution State" and "Connecticut" are inscribed, with the state's year of entry into the Union, 1788, also listed. On the reverse of the quarter, the standard design of an eagle, the words "United States of America" and "E Pluribus Unum" appear, which has been used on all U.S. quarters since 1932. Like most state quarters, the 1999 Connecticut State Quarter was struck in cupro-nickel and has a diameter of 24.3 mm and a weight of 5.67 grams. Because this quarter was produced in large quantities, most coins are widely available in circulation. However, various errors have emerged during the minting process, and these rarer error coins are what make the 1999 Connecticut State Quarter especially intriguing to collectors. Types of rare errors on the 1999 Connecticut State Quarter. The 1999 Connecticut State Quarter, like any other coin minted, may have defects or errors during the minting process. Some of these errors are relatively common, while others are quite rare and command premium prices. The most common and valuable errors include double die errors, off-center strikes, clip planchets, mule errors, and wrong planchet errors. Let's explore these errors in more detail. 1. Double die errors. A double die error occurs when the die used to strike the coin does not align properly with the coin or is used multiple times. This results in a doubling effect on the design, especially on certain letters or numbers, making the coin appear as though the design has been struck twice in a slightly different position. In the case of the 1999 Connecticut State Quarter, a double die error might appear in the inscriptions around the edge of the coin or in the lettering on the reverse side, such as the words Connecticut or the Constitution State. Identification. To identify a double die error, look for any doubling in the design elements, especially on the lettering. A clear and prominent doubling in the words on the obverse, e.g., Connecticut, or reverse, e.g., the Constitution State, can indicate this error. Value. Double die errors on the 1999 Connecticut Quarter are among the most desirable and valuable errors. Depending on the severity of the doubling and the condition of the coin, these quarters can be worth anywhere from $100 to $1,000. The more pronounced the doubling, the higher the value. In extreme cases with heavy and obvious doubling, these error coins could reach values of $1,000 or more. 2. Off-center strikes. An off-center strike occurs when a coin is not perfectly aligned with the press during the minting process. As a result, the coin's design is not centered, and part of the coin's edge may be missing, leaving part of the planchet exposed. For the 1999 Connecticut State Quarter, this error can affect both the obverse and reverse sides, with parts of the design missing or shifted. Identification. The most noticeable sign of an off-center strike is the misalignment of the coin's design. If you see any part of the coin's edge missing or if the design is significantly off-center, this is a clear indicator of this error. Value. Off-center strikes are considered valuable, especially if the misalignment is severe. A 1999 Connecticut State Quarter with a noticeable off-center strike could be worth anywhere from $100 to $500, and in extreme cases, it could reach even higher values. 3. Clipped planchet errors. A clipped planchet error occurs when a coin is struck on a planchet that has been improperly cut, resulting in a portion of the coin being missing. This could mean part of the coin's design, such as the state outline or the eagle on the reverse, is clipped off. Clip planchets can vary in size and severity, with some coins showing a small portion missing and others exhibiting a more significant clip. Identification. To identify a clipped planchet error, examine the edge of the coin for any noticeable missing portions. If part of the design is missing or if the coin's edge appears irregular, this could be a clipped planchet. Value. Clipped planchet errors on the 1999 AD Connecticut quarter can range in value from $100 to $500 or more, depending on the size of the clip and its prominence. Larger and more noticeable clips will generally result in higher values. 4. Mule errors. A mule error occurs when two different dies are mistakenly used to strike a coin, leading to an unusual combination of designs. For instance, a coin could have the reverse die of one state quarter paired with the obverse die of another state quarter. A mule error on the 1999 AD Connecticut state quarter is exceedingly rare but could be highly valuable. Identification. Identifying a mule error requires comparing the coin to other state quarters. If the reverse of the Connecticut quarter features a design from a different state, such as a different eagle or inscription, it is likely a mule error. Value. Mule errors are extremely rare and can be worth thousands of dollars, depending on the specific error and the coin's condition. For a 1999 AD Connecticut state quarter, such an error could potentially reach values of $1,000 to $10,000 or more, depending on the rarity of the combination. 5. Wrong planchet errors. A wrong planchet error happens when a coin is struck on a blank planchet intended for another denomination. For example, a quarter could be struck on a planchet meant for a dime or $half. This results in a coin with incorrect size and weight, and sometimes an imperfect design. A 1999 AD Connecticut state quarter struck on a wrong planchet could be a very rare find. Identification. To identify a wrong planchet error, check the size and weight of the coin. A quarter struck on a wrong planchet may be smaller or larger than normal. Additionally, the design may appear distorted or poorly centered due to the size discrepancy. Value. The value of a wrong planchet error can vary widely, but such errors are highly sought after by collectors. A 1999 AD Connecticut state quarter struck on a wrong planchet could potentially be worth anywhere from $500 to $2,000 or more, depending on the extent of the error and the condition of the coin. Other less common errors. In addition to the more common errors listed above, there are other potential errors that can occur during the minting process. Some of these include die cracks or cuds, where parts of the die break off, leaving raised areas of metal on the coin's surface. Overstrikes, where a coin is struck multiple times, causing parts of one design to overlap another. Lamination errors, where a layer of metal separates from the coin's surface, resulting in peeling or cracking. How to evaluate and identify error coins. When evaluating a potential error coin, there are several factors to consider. Examine the coin carefully for any signs of irregularities, such as doubling, misalignment, or missing design elements. Compare the coin to a standard, uncirculated 1999 AD Connecticut state quarter to check for any discrepancies. Consult a professional grader or numismatist to confirm whether the error is genuine and determine its value. Conclusion. The 1999 AD Connecticut state quarter is a noteworthy coin in the U.S. Mint's 50 state quarters series, and although most of the coins are widely available, certain rare error coins have surfaced over the years. Errors such as double die, off-center strikes, clipped planchets, mule errors, and wrong planchet errors are some of the most sought-after types, and they can be worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars, depending on the severity of the error and the coin's condition. If you have a 1999 AD Connecticut state quarter with an error, it's worth taking the time to carefully examine it, as it could be a valuable addition to your collection.